So as some of you might know, I recently released a book together with my good friend from high school, Stephanie Maduro, and that book is called Het ABC-boekje van de ABC-eilanden. And we could not be more happy with how the book turned out. It turned out so great. It's such a cute book. It just looks adorable, and all the illustrations are beautiful. Stephanie did such a great job. And it's just such a cute book. And it's just a really great way to share your culture and heritage and your language with your little ones from a young age. It's so important that even if you're raising kids, you can still share your culture with them. And this book comes in handy when it comes to that. So if you're interested in picking up a copy for yourself, this book is now available for purchase. You can go to chuchubibooks.nl or check us out on Instagram at chuchubibooks.nl. When I became a father, I knew it was going to be very important to me to share my language and my culture with my child. So we wrote this book to make sure that every parent is able to do that a little bit easier. And as the back of the book says, Papiamentu nos tour, and it's really true. It's their language as well, so make sure to share your language and your culture with your kids. And if you're interested in picking up a copy, you can do so and maybe make that process a little bit easier.